Okay, I plan on doing an LED strip on the inside lip of my tray ceiling. Will the stars be bright enough to see with the LEDs on? I'm assuming he's talking about during a movie, because it depends on how far down you come. First of all, the LED strips or anything, any kind of LED light, you want to have, if you can do it, 12 inches minimum down from the ceiling, so the light will hit the paint directly. I've painted them with 8 inches down from the ceiling, but then they had to add one of these for the center. The LED strips lit up the paint around the edges, but they needed the LED black floodlight to do the center. So definitely they'll charge up the paint. If you're going to be watching a movie, yeah, you'll be able to see them because of the fluorescent additive. And yeah, I mean, I haven't had really any ceiling I've ever painted that hasn't worked. You know, if these strip lights don't work, you can get one of these and it's going to work great. So you're good.